Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how TikTok Live works in the respect of how to get coins, how to send gifts, how to receive gifts, and how to turn those diamonds into money that you could cash out and how to cash out in essence, right? And so if you want to learn how all this works from the perspective of the viewer and from the perspective of the creator, I'm going to do both. So I hope this will help you kind of demystify how this all works, okay? So let's get started right now. So this is my TikTok account, and initially, how do you get coins is by actually purchasing them. You cannot get coins in any other way, okay? You need the coins in order to buy gifts. So the first step is that you need to go buy coins. And how do you buy coins is that you're going to click the top 3 dots on my profile, on your profile, and you're going to go to balance, okay? In the balance, you will see coins balance, okay? And I don't have any coins because I don't usually buy gifts. I actually host lives. I don't go and send gifts to other creators. That's why I have 0 coins. Okay, that's what coins are for. You buy coins so that those coins can be purchasing gifts for the live creator. Okay, so in order to buy these coins, you just click the recharge button and you see how much the coins are worth. So for 99 cents, I could get 65 coins. And for $4.99, I could get 330 coins and so forth. So for $100, you could get 6,600 coins. So that's a lot of coins. But how many coins do you need to give, certain ones to the creators? So let's check that out. All right, so I'm just attending somebody's live so that you can see how this kind of works, okay? So let's say I have coins, which I don't, but if I'm going, so once you have coins in your balance, this is how you can give somebody who is hosting a live. You're going to click the bottom right. You see the bottom right, it has a little gift box. So I'm going to click that and you're going to see the number of gifts on here, okay? See, it says on my coins here, I have 0. So it even allows you to recharge from this screen. So if I click recharge, see, you could just see all the amounts that you can get. It's the same thing that as you saw earlier. And so these are the gifts. There are 8 different gifts. So a TikTok will only cost you 1 coin. And then the panda is 5 coins. And then Big Love is 25 coins. Sunscreen is 50 coins. And then Rainbow Puke is 100 coins. Concert is 500 coins. Bravo is 5 coins. And the big legendary is 1,000 coins. And everybody wants that legendary or the concert. The concert is 500. So that is how gifts work. Okay. So as a viewer, you buy coins and then you go and choose the gift that you want to give to the creator. And you click that. So once you have your coin balance, I guess you just touch one of these coins, touch one of these gifts, and then you could probably send it to the creator, okay? So once you've done that as the creator now, so this person right here, this man, will receive your gifts and they turn actually into diamonds for him, okay? So those diamonds will be worth only 0.5%, okay? So I'm gonna go to my account and show you that. So where you can find out where your diamonds have turned into money is in your balance account, okay? So you're back from your profile, you click on the top right 3 dots, and then you go to balance, not the pro account, the balance. And then you go to live gifts, okay? You see there's a live gifts. I'm gonna click that. And once I click that, it goes to this page. It looks like I've received 698 diamonds, and that converts at 0.5%. So 0.5%, okay? So if you use a calculator and do 698 times 0.005, which is 0.5%, then that comes up to be the $3.49. And from here, as the creator, now I can withdraw. I click the withdraw button and it looks like I can withdraw. I just have to add a PayPal, I believe it's a PayPal account. So I have to add, yeah, see, I'm able to add my PayPal account. And once I've added that, yes, you have to be 18 to withdraw, of course. And oh, also, you need to be 18 to buy coins, okay? If you're under 18, you cannot buy coins. And if you're under 18, you cannot receive gifts on lives. You can do lives if you're 16 and up, but you cannot receive gifts if you're under 18 for this reason, because you can't cash out if you can't have a PayPal account, okay? So I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not going to show all that. So then that's how you can cash out. Okay, it looks like I could cash out with that. So don't get confused about how do you get coins. The only way you could get coins on TikTok is buying the coins. And the purpose of buying the coins is so that you could give gifts, because those coins will turn to gifts to the creator you want to give it to while they're on live. And if you're the one hosting the live, then you're going to receive those gifts, and those gifts will turn to diamonds. Now, once you have finished your live, you will get a summary of how many gifts you received, how many diamonds that converted into. So after your live, you could take a screenshot of it. I could show you one of my screenshots here if I could find it. I hope I can find one for you here. And I show you the summary of what it says. Sometimes I find it is not accurate, because one time it said I didn't have a lot of gifts, but I know I did. So, and my balance reflected that. So it's kind of weird, that summary. It's not exactly accurate. So don't be alarmed if the balance is, if that summary at the end of your live is not accurate, because it'll reflect accurately in your live gifts balance there, okay? So this balance will be accurate, so don't worry about that, okay? So as a creator, you can then cash out once you have these gifts. So this is how you can earn directly on TikTok through the live streaming. The other way, of course, is through the creator fund, which I already did a video on that, and you can see the link of that video here, okay? So that's a different way that you can earn directly on TikTok. So there's two ways to earn directly on TikTok, which is not only being live on TikTok, but also through the creator fund, from the TikTok creator fund, okay? So I hope this is helpful to you and really clarifies from the other video I had about gifts and so forth. So I hope this explains it even more clear to you. If it does, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about TikTok and how to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. So I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye!